You ready?
Let's do.
We'll be back. No! No! All right.
I'm gonna die.
Yes, keep going. Get some speed.
Oh, hi. We're gonna make a fire. I've got sticks. I've got wood.
The grand tour. We'll give you the grand. I want you to give us the grand tour.
Filming?
Yeah. Well, this is my tent, mine and David's.
Okay.
Show us. It's beautiful.
Come here, if you want to get a closer look at this. Get in here, cameraman. You see, room for like 5 in here.
This is the sex dungeon area.
As you can see, it's already been used quite a few times.
They've got the biggest tent.
For the biggest.
This is what I want to look like someday.
Right,
After all the surgeries.
Alright, Kyle, what the hell are you doing here? Here we are.
So tell us what we're doing right now. Let's show the people. We're in a golf cart, as you can see. Beautiful golf cart.
Can't even tell it's on.
Got a
It's
grill.
amazing. Gonna do some grilling tonight.
Hank Hill, tell us about this grill.
Well, you see here, if you work at Lowe's for long enough, you learn just about everything. So, this is a Tarboro Grillmaster Infrared 3-burner grill. It's pretty basic, pretty off the shelf. It's had its highs and lows, as you can see from the staining and general upkeep of this thing. As you'll notice on the bottom here, we are missing a wheel here, so you know it's been used well. We ride with a propane tank inside for safety purposes. The concentration can only be known as. So we're gonna be drinking some Tiki Torch and Bud Light tonight. Here, I think it'll be fine. Oh! Ow!
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Alright, we're good. Let's go.
We're good.
Alright. Jesus. Freaking loose ass pieces.
Like 1 mile per hour. I'm trying to
It's kind of cool that you live out here. Like, is this all your land? I'm sorry, I can't really hear anything you're saying.
All this is clank, clank, clank.
Clank, clank, clank.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so light too. That's a feather. Move it away. Yeah,
And we're done.
I want a burger.
I want a hamburger!
I want a burger. Chris.
What?
Continue.
Oh.
I feel like we're like in a horror film right now with this camera like get out.
Oh no, go.
Just gonna fist bump it.
Grillmaster Bear here. Cooking up love.
Hamburgers.
Call him, but you know how that worked out when I was going to call you. So
I was wondering if there's a way I can.
You know, sometimes
I can set a flag.
the time's just right, with the right people, magic happens.
as you'll see tonight, we hope.
There's one guy here that's an asshole. I know that for a fact. Yeah, it's my phone. And we just the object of tonight is to find that asshole and suck it deep.
Hope I'm not the asshole.
Eating.
I don't know. Hot dog, I think, maybe? Some bratwurst?
Whatever it is.
I can't tell. Sausage. It's a sausage.
So are you going to be videotaping our experience here? Out
Yeah, but don't worry, no one will ever see this but us. I promise.
That's cool.
Spelunking Master Chubb's here.
Michael Murray.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, I brought these. Bug just hit me in the
Matt, going for my light on my camera here.
Went for my forehead first.
What are your thoughts, Kyle, on Canadian bacon?
It's awful.
Is it really?
It's terrible.
Is it the worst?
You can't call something bacon that's shit.
So, I'm at Walmart, and I'm hungry. And I know I have a pizza in my fridge, a pepperoni pizza. I'm like, you know what? 2 pizzas never hurts. So I grab another one. Well, I go home, and I think I'm drinking, and I'm just really craving some pizza. So I go out there, and I grab the first one out that I got that day, and it was Canadian bacon.
Yeah, of
I
course.
was like, oh, that sucks. I don't want Canadian bacon. So it's like, I got the other one in my freezer. So I grabbed that one. It's Canadian bacon too.
So how did you solve that dilemma?
I cried.
Be from Kenya.
And nobody would believe the president with the last name Sprinkle either. It just wouldn't happen.
They wouldn't. They wouldn't. You're
Well, the middle name like
although,
that.
like, you could, like, for your campaign, you could just take a picture of a sprinkler.
That would be a great campaign.
That's great. Good way to further my image.
It is.
But-
And when you gave speeches, you have to, like, talk like this to the people. It'd be like you're doing a Nazi salute,
My
but
fellow citizens.
there you go, just like that.
Oh, there's a bomb! You gotta go!
Phil, there's a road right next to us.
We're off-roading, dude.
Oh, God! Oh!
It was fun, though.
Kyle.
Check out these guns. It's getting big. Never mind. Because I had the one. I have had so many. My chair, it's broken. Look. See, you see it broken? Look, Kyle. It's broken.
There it is.
Day 2, David.
Oh, day 2, David.
Day 2, David.
Day 2, David.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
David, describe to us what you found in your butt.
This is traditional Southern
Aborigines.
Indiana black beetle. Fine.
It's brown.
Know you got some friends here.
See, this is the
Bobby the 3-legged dog.
long-haired collie mix.
We're having fun and helping with wood.
What are you doing, Phil?
I'm cooking bacon. Save the bacon. Save it now.
So much fun.
The face of a true man.
Oh, God! Duck.
Here comes the bad one.
Oh, here we go. Oh, ow! Oh, God! Oh! Oh, God. This again. Oh! Go left. Left again. We're going this way. Where are we going? Ah! Do you know where we're going? No, I've never been this. Watch out, there's a turn. Holy shit, watch yourself, dude.
No.
This way, this way, this way. No. Oh, God. Hold on, this way. Okay,
Looks like the end.
get it. Oh. Okay, you go straight, right? Or up here. Oh my God, yes. Oh, there's gonna be a leg. Yeah, after a while. gonna be like not taking a left. Nothing's right. Oh my gosh. This way. Yes. Yes, that hill. We found our way. Whoa. Whoa. This way. Yes. That keeps up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, here.
What have we been doing today, Chris?
Doing a lot of nothing.
And I need you to phrase that as a question.
Doing a lot of nothing?
So what have we been doing today, Chris?
What is cooking, ATV riding, and chilling, enjoying Mother Nature's finest.
Beep, beep, beep. And we're out of time for tonight. We'll be back for the final Jeopardy in just a second.
Hi, I'm Chris Sprinkle. Whenever I'm just sitting out here with the homies, I always drink Deer Park. See you later.
Close to him and wants to me. David, frisbee hog, intercepted. I guess I can only throw it to David because even when I throw it to someone else, he runs the ball. You can only throw it to me. Yep.
Yeah.
He just like creams the tree.
Be closer. Be closer.
He was laughing for days.
This is a slow part of the chase.
Huh? We're full. It's here. You're up.
It just fell off.
I did too.
Hi.
Hey, what's going on? Oh, okay, we're up top.
Oh! Trying to kill us.
Smoke is
It's just smoke.
smoke. Smoke.
That's all.
Goodbye, Nudge.
Bye-bye.
Last words. Here you go, right now.
In for one, out for one.
Phil knows what's up.
Hey.
Oh,
Oh,
hi.
you can't see me.
I
Oh, now
see
you
you,
can. Now you can.
That's bright.
Easy, baby.
Oh God! one more time.
Guitar there.
Wheezy,
Okay, let's have
baby.
a with my guitar.
All right, one more time.
Do what?
Oh. One more time.
Wheezy, baby.
Hey, David.
Hey, Phil.
What's up, Wheezy?
Wheezy, baby.
It was fun. It is so much fun.
Never tasted so sweet.
Yeah.